Um, Good day, sir. So, I am Rich Bunatlawan. So, I am here to discuss about my, what you call this, searching code. So, I am here to discuss about how we get our binary search, which is, makita na to sa code. Then, so here, we first start at as if. So, we choose B, which is the binary search. And then, the compiler will read the if statement. So, sort is equals to y, which is yes. Then, integer left, which we have our integer value is 0, right? So, ito put down diri ang ato left. Sorry. So, ito ang left is 0, right? And ito ang right is equals to size, which is our size is 5. Size na to is 5. So, 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. So, ito ang size na karon is 4. Kaya nga naman, minusan na siya 1. The compiler will read the while loop. So, left is less than or equal to right. So, sa naman, ito ang size. So, ito ang right. So, sorry for interruption. So, the value of our left is 0. And our right is 4. Right? So, 0 is less than to 4, which is true. So, the compiler will read the next line of code. Then, our left is right here, right? Then, our right is right here. Then, integer mid is equals to left plus right. So, which is our left is 0 again. Then, plus right equals to 4. So 0 plus 4 is equals to 4. Then divided by 2, which is 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then ito ang right now, ito ang mid ay equivalent na siya sa 2. So, mid. Then, the compiler will read the if statement. Okay, array mid is equals to k, which is, ato ang k is the search value, which is, makita nito sa ato ang code, na ato ang research nga value is 3. So, ato ang mid is 2. So, 2 is equals ba siya sa 3, which is false. So, the compiler will not read this kind of code. So, the compiler will jump at else f. So, else f, array mid is less than 2k, which is array mid is 2 less than ba siya sa 3. So, which is false. Okay, dili man, ay, true, sorry. Kay, gamay man ng 2 kaysa ni 3. And then, the compiler will read this line of code, which is left is equals to mid plus 1. So, right now, ato ang mid is plusan daw siya o 1, which is 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So, 3 is our left value now. Okay. Na calculate na siya diri nga part line of code. So, our left is right here. Na siya sa 3 nga index. And then, our left now is 3 na. Dili na siya 0 kaya na-calculate man siya pag ay sa line of code nga left. Ayan. While loop, balik ta sa while loop. then 3 less than or equal to right. So ato ang right is 4, right? And then 4 less than or equal to 3. I know. The left, right, the left is 3. So 3 less than or equal to 4, which is true. Kay gamay man ang 3 kaysa ni 4. And the compiler will read again the integer mean, which is our left is 3 na. And plus 4, so and our right is, so 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. So 7 divided by 2. So 7 divided by 2 is 4.5. So ato ani huwag tangon ang decimal point para dili ta maglibog when it comes to our code na. So ato ang mid now is 4 na. Kaya na-calculate naman siya dyan. So which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, so ang ato ang mid now is 4 naman. So 4. So 4 is equals pa siya sa k, which is our k is 3. So 4 is equals pa siya sa 3. So dili equal. So false. So the code will jump here at as if. So as if mid, which is our mid is 4, then our k is true. So kanang if 4 less than ba siya sa 3, which is false. Kay dako man ang 4 kaysa ni 3. So the code will not read this kind of code. So the code will jump here at else statement, which we have our right. Our right is 4. Then our mid is equals to 4. So 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. So right now, ato ang right is 3 na. Okay, na-compute naman na ito dari dapita. Sorry sir, di makita. So na-compute na dari na ito dapita ang 3. And then, our right now is 3 na. So, balik ta sa while loop. Alright, then left is, ato ang value sa left is 3 is equals, so less than or equal ba siya sa ato ang right na which is 3. So less than or equal, so dili siya less than, but the left and the right now, so left and right. So ito ang left and right now is equals sa siya, so which is true. So the code, so which is true, and ay true man siya, so dagan siya dyan sa integer mid, which is left. Ato ang left is 3, then ato ang right now is no. So lagi sa no. So integer mid left plus 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. Then divided by 2 is equals to 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. So, ato ang mid now is at 3 na. So, which is correct. And then, if correct man siya, so, are, if statement, kay ito ang mid is 3. Ito ang k is 3, which is true, equals na siya. Then, magagan siya, ma-read na siya direct sa line of code, which is index is equals to mid, which is ito ang mid is 3, which is ito ang index now is negative 1. So, negative 1 plus 3 is equals to positive 2. So, the code will jump here at our result, which is our result is if statement. Our index now is 2, kaya na-calculate naman ko siya. So 2 is not equal to negative 1. So dili siya equal sa negative 1 kay 2 man atong index. So then the code will print the system out, print the value found at the index location, which is the answer is at location 2. So kita na to sa code nga print ito sa ang code kay ang location 2 ang magawas sa system out, which is ato ang research nga value is 3, which is our code of binary is correct. That's it. That's how I get my code in binary search. So hello again, sir. So I am here now to discuss about my linear search. So linear search. So we have here our linear code, which is nasa ito ang actual na code. So if choice A is equals to A, which is atong gipili is linear A, then 4 integer I, ito ang I equivalent sa atong value sa I is 0. Ito ang size kay 5. Ito ang size kay 5. So I is equals to 0. Sige lang na son. So sorry sir for interruption. Sorry. So right now ito ang I is 0 and ito ang size is 5, right? So 0 is less than 2, 5. So which is kanang 1 true. So the line of code will, the compiler will run this line of code, which is if statement. So ato ang array is naisod nga I, which is ato ang I is 0. Then ato ang k, so ang k day katon ng atong gipangita nga value. So ato ang gibutan sa ato ang code is 3 man. So ang 0 is equals pa siya sa 3, so which is false. Then the compiler will increment. So ato ang I is mapunan siya og 1. So ato ang y I, which is 0, na increment siya, may mo na siya so ato ang I, may mo na siya 1 kay increment man, right? So I is equals I is ato ang 1 is kanang less than ba siya sa 5, which is true kay gamay man ng 1 isang 5. So the line of code, so the compiler will read again the if statement. So array, so ato ang array is I. So ito ang I now is 1 naman. 1. And ito ang K is 3. So kung tala kay ang 1 is equals pa siya sa 3. So dili, false. So the I will increment. So pupunta na siya ang I of 1. So ato ang I now is 2. Okay. Pag ato 1 pa man to, then napunan man siya og 1. So 2 na. So 2 is less than 2 our size na 5. So less than man siya, so true. Gamay man ang 2 kasi 5. Then basa na po siya sa if statement. So array, which is ito ang array, ito ang I is 2 naman. So equals ba siya sa 3, which is delete, false. So ma-increment na po ang I, mahimo ng 3. So ito ang I now is 3. So I less than to size. So ito ang size is 5. Then ito ang I is 3, right? Then 3 less than to 5, which is true. So the compiler will read again the if statement. So ito ang I now is 3, right? So 3 is equals to K, which is 3, which is true. So true na ito ang if statement. Ay true man, so mabasa na siya sa index na line of code. Ito ang index dito kay kuan man negative 1. Negative 1. Okay. Ito ang negative 1 man ang ito ang index. So kuan na negative 1 plus 3, which is ito ang K, right? So negative 1 plus ito ang K, which is negative 1 plus 3, it's equals to positive 2. So the code, okay, na-calculate naman na to ang index. So the code will run here at our result if. So index na to kay 2 man, so dili siya not equal to negative 1, which is ma-print na po ni ang system out. The value is found at index or location 2. So that's it. Na ang mailhan na nga imong linear code, imong linear nga line for true. So what if mo kanang ang imong pangitaon kay kanang gawas na sa imong gitawag nga elements na 5, ang pangitaon 6. So the code ang makita dito is the value is not found. So dili siya makita kay 6 man imong gipangita kay 5 ra man imong elements. So that's it, sir. So, thank you and sorry sa kanang mga interruptions.